Anytime now, so stand by. Kat May selling us the favorite for this race. And the race is on. Bahala na. Draws for your lead, survey says. Atoy for us. Moving up by the rail. Then followed by Golden Rage, nicking in elusive wind. Masaga ng Anikat May. Panamaw Princess as they race towards the half-mile pole. Bahala na. In command by about 2 lengths. Running now in second is Golden Rage. Then moving up Survey says Atoy Poras fading out, sneaking in down or inside Elusive Wind. Moving up party outside Masaga ng Ani and Kat May as they race at the final corner. Bahala na is still out in front by about 2 lengths. Survey says, moving a party outside, Golden Rage down or inside, Elusive Wind, and down a stretch they come. Bahala na is still leading the field. Survey says, running on the outside, and down a stretch and leading the finish line. Survey says, now the leader, Kat May, the favorite, moves up and grabbing the lead, and finally, Kat May. Survey says, Masaga ng Ani, then comes Silver Star, Golden Rage close with Bahala na for your Pentafecta.